Okay, now let's see what food we can get from these farm animals. Let's start with the chicken. There you go. We get eggs, fresh eggs from chickens, and fried chicken too. Ooh, that's so delicious. Do you eat fried chicken? Yeah, me too. Now, the pig gives us bacon, sausages. Who likes sausages? And ham. Do you eat ham? Let's see. Cows give us a lot of food, like burgers. This is a very delicious looking burger. Milk. You have to drink milk. Cheese. And of course, yogurt. Those are the food that we get from farm animals.